Hi everyone and welcome back. I am continuing my explorations in fabric imitation, and these pieces were made from a slab that was inspired by one such fabric. I'll put the inspiration picture link in the description box below. This video consists of two parts. Please subscribe so you don't miss the second part where I make the canes. To make the base, we will need black and white clay rolled out on the second thickest setting of the pasta machine. To make stripes, I'm using this fun tool that is used to cut pasta dough. It gives you uniform stripes without really measuring. I bought this cutter a long time ago, I think on eBay, but you can still find it online by searching for wheel pasta cutter or noodle roller, something like that. Mine had a little defect on one of the blades, that's why I'm not cutting starting at the edge. You'll also notice that one side cuts just fine and the other one doesn't, so be careful which way it's turned. But even then, you can still cut along the outlines and get the uniform stripes. Cut up both sheets of clay and arrange them on a non-stick surface for easier use, but use a glass or a tile surface to make the actual veneer. Now start lining them up, alternating between white and black. Push the strips together with a blade. Turn your blade blunt side down to do that, and be careful not to cut your fingers. Arrange as many stripes as you want. After you're done arranging them, burnish with a piece of paper so that all the strips stick together and make a uniform sheet. To start the design, cut the canes into thin slices. Manipulate each slice in your hands to give them better, rounder form and to thin out the edges. This next part is just me arranging the slices on the base. I don't press hard on the slices while I'm arranging them because I want to be able to pick up and move either the pieces themselves or parts of them. When you are satisfied with the design, press them onto the base through a piece of paper. This will remove fingerprints and adhere the slices to the base. And here is our slab ready to go. Now you can cut out the shapes. Don't miss the second part of the video. There I will show you how I made each of those canes. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.